My name is Stefan Lang. I'm the CEO of lrpd, located in St. Gallen, Switzerland. And it's my pleasure to present you today our exhibition piece, which I would like to show you here today. What this is actually a bore head for routing stator housings of electric cars. You see here the indexable inserts. The whole structure is typology optimized with a bionic structure. We see here the integrated cooling channel, so the cooling liquid can actually reach all these points where we have the cutting heads integrated. The structure is hollow with a lattice to ensure that we have a light weight but still have the stiffness and the rigidity required to perform well in the application. The material we used is 14404 steel. The part itself is 470 by 300 by 200 millimeter, and it has a weight of 8.5 kilograms. We used in the building process 5,700 layers with each 60 microns, which took us to build 18 hours for 2 parts on a build plate. We built this on our own machine, on the Impact 4530. The Impact 4530 is a highly industrialized additive manufacturing machine, powder bed fusion technology with a very large printing area of 450 by 300 by 400 millimeters in size. We can do multi-materials. Our strength of the machine is that we can have very fast changeover from job to job within 20 minutes and from material to material in 4 hours. So look out for the machine. At the moment it's in beta testing. We are looking forward to release the machine next summer, so something to look forward and to check out. It's lrpd from Switzerland, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day. Bye bye.